In the last class, we studied how to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Today, using that code, let us write a program to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. First, you can start with a comment. First, you need to save the file. The file is already saved. Now you can start with a comment. A Python program to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. You can end the comment. Okay. Now the first thing, the number should be entered from the keyboard. Okay. So you can write A is equal to int input. And here you can type a message, enter the number from the keyboard. Now the remaining code, we derived this in the last class. So let me copy paste the same piece of code. There is no change. Now you can save your file. You can run the program. Okay, enter a number 1634. We know that it's an Armstrong number. Yes, it's an Armstrong number. Now one more example. 153. Yes, it's an Armstrong number. One more. 99. It's not an Armstrong number. Okay, so program is working. Now the indentation of if else is very important. Using this while loop, you find the n sum of the nth powers of the digits that is there in variable s. So only when while loop finishes execution, you should check whether sum equal to the original number. Okay, so this should not be part of while loop. It should be outside while loop. So indentation is very important. It should be indented like this. Okay, if you indent like this, you will not get the answer because now it is part of while loop. Okay, see, you can see the answer is wrong. 153. See, it's coming. Why it is repeating like this? Because the indentation is wrong. You did not indent it properly. Only after completing while loop, you should check this if else. Okay, so this indentation is very important. Okay, now it is correct. So this is how you write the complete program.